Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete login history on Facebook. So first of all, just go ahead and click on your menu at the below right corner and go ahead to the settings gear at the top right. And from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to see the account center or meta. Just click on it. And from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the password insecurity in the account settings. You're going to see it. Just move on to the next step. What I'm gonna do now, you're gonna see security checks. Just go ahead to where you logged in. So I'm gonna click on it. And from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select the account that I'm currently using or the account that I want to delete the login history. So I'm gonna click the first one right here, and you're gonna see the device, the time, the place, or the location. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select device to log out, and I'm gonna select one. It could be, one or two devices, PC and iPhone, or phone and Android, and select two, and just select three. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just log out, add your password, and confirm that you want to log out from this devices. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.